In-game ako, kalaban ko si Eno. Nakaunang na bad trip ako talaga kay Eno. May nga nagtatanong, Boss Idra, paano mo tatalunin si Karina? Paano mo tatalunin si Natalia? O, 12 minutes lang. Natapos mo kagad?
Welcome to Mobile Legends!
Lakas mo talaga, tol! Tawag dito.
Working in the dark.
Nakilala naman. Sino yung mga malalakas sa
What
1v1?
made chose King of Life? King chose you. Fate forced me to become an assassin.
Kahit hindi ako piliin yung magic ko, okay lang yun guys. Gusto ko maging honest guys sa sagot nyo guys. Sino ba yung mga... Ito guys, seryoso guys
God
sabi.
will give you blood. Nothing is true. What's the truth?
Hindi si Piloni kasi hindi naman hindi niya po yun guys. Oo, si Chow. Si...
One life, just here. Wasn't me who chose King of Life. The King chose me. We served the light.
Magpaikot talaga sa JP. Kasi isipin nyo guys, nag-echo. Kaya hindi nag-echo.
Careful! The enemy is missing.
Truly wise man will not tell you the truth. Give me names and I will give you blood. Nothing is true. One life, just enough.
Sabi mo ka nanonood kay JP, may utak ba to? Parang alam mo yun, ilang beses ko prinove na.
Truly
Ako si
wise
JP.
man. Give me names and I will give you blood. Nothing is free.
Boom! Talo kay JP! Like, what? Ano, may napapaisip ako na, oh my god! Talo ako! Hindi papat!
Truly wise man will not tell you the truth.
Tignan yung mga content ko before kay JP guys. Puro ko pagpapaliwanag din na tinalo ko siya ng gantong beses, tinalo ko siya ng gantong beses.
Nothing is true. What's the truth?
Mega kill!
Kailangan ko ba talaga mag-focus sa Natalia na to? Tamang art sa my day ko, panis ka na na.
Your team destroyed a turret!
Fate forced me to become an assassin. Nothing is true.
Your team
Natalia Magico. Ano ang pinakamasakit na
One
pagkatalo?
life is just
Yung
enough.
akala mo, panalo ka na. Tama.
Nothing is true. Give me names.
Team destroyed the tower ball. Wiped out.
Mukha mo. Kaya, hindi guys. Kaya nga ni Arby yung Natalia guys. Isang dep item lang ito. Ito, bilhin mo to. Wala nang palag.
Nothing is true.
Pinagawa yung mga hindi na namin ngayon paras na namin DGF yun. Ay!
Give me names, and I will give you blood. Nothing is true.
Monster kill. Wiped out.
It wasn't me who chose King of Light, but the king chose me.
Team destroyed a turret.
Grabe yung fanbase ni JP. Dati Kumbaga
Deserves
isipin
the
mo
light
yung pre.
while working.
Pinapaliwanag ko niya yun. O tignan niyo guys ha.
Nothing is true. What's the truth?
Godlike. Wiped out.
Sa 1v1 ba? Sa 1v1?
Fate forced me to become an assassin.
Battle spell and cooldown.
I'm a broken home. I gave you all.
Nothing is true. Give me names, and I will give you blood.
Down, breaking these walls down. If you wanted, I shouldn't
Paldo.
follow home.
Uy, naglalag ng Andrew. Naglalag ang Andrew.
I'll never know. If you're gonna leave, I'ma
One
let you
life
go.
is just enough.
Legendary. Wiped out.
It wasn't me who chose King of Light, but the king chose me. Nothing is true.
Team destroyed a turret.
I served the light while working in the dark.
Battle spell and cooldown.
Hindi ko naisip na pwede ako mag-content na itong bottom.
Shut down.
I'm done with this.
Our turret is under attack.
It's what I tell myself.
It wasn't me who chose King of Light.
Pagkalam ko natalo ni Trigger si Kimber sa 1v1 Argus to Argus eh. O pre, morning ako pre. Talagang
Been slain.
Bring
Just time starts down. A king without his crown. Now I'm breaking. Just breaking. You never made a sound.
guys, pero guys, pre, saan na to? I mean, walang alam biro. Basic lang kay Argus yun guys, si Natalia.
I'm tired.
truly wise man will not tell you the truth. Nothing is true. Bring me
din siya guys eh. Hindi ko alam. Pero matagal na yun.
I'll tell you.
Our inhibitor turret is under attack. Our turret has been destroyed.
One life. Just
Rampage. Shut down. Wiped out.
Putik. Kala ko outplayed na pare.
Our inhibitor turret is under attack. Our turret has been destroyed.
May magic eh.
what's the
Mukhang
truth?
ako'y matagpuan dahil sa kapabayaan.
Wiped out.
Anis.
What's the truth? Nothing is true.
Our base is under attack.
Ring.
So kung ba nakilala si Gilbert? Hindi, si Gilbert nag-chat sa akin guys. Ah guys.
Our base is under attack.
Truly wise man will
Our
not
base is under attack.
Yung tag dito dumadaan yung mga video sa akin since guys. Silong pa siya ng guys eh. Oo nga eh. Ay.
preserve the light while working in the dark. Nothing is true. Wasn't me who chose King
Parang
of Light.
may dayaan pala sa ganun.
King
Pre.
chose me.
Ult is ready.
Fate forced me to become an assassin. Nothing is true. Nothing is true.
Slain an enemy. Wiped out.
Wasn't me who chose King of Light.
Mamaya na tayo maglaban na
King
tayo.
chose me.
Gusto ko na tapusin eh. Sobra na yan. Wait lang.
Ult is ready.
Truly wise man will not tell you the truth.
Galit manalo. Oh. Galit manalo guys. Pagtarotawan nyo guys.
One life, just enough.
Victory!
First time ko manood nun. Thank you ko, JV. First time ko manood nun, Magico. First time ko manood.